In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Squarespace email marketing. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and go to the marketing section. From there, open email campaigns. This is where you can build and manage the emails you want to send to your audience. If you are setting this up for the first time, it is a good idea to begin by organizing your recipients before creating the email itself. Inside email campaigns, click Lists and Segments, then choose Create. This lets you make a new contact list for the people who will receive your campaign. Give the list a clear name so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple campaigns for different audiences. Once you have entered the name, click Save. After your list is ready, click Create Campaign. Squarespace will show you a selection of templates. Choose the one that best fits the type of message you want to send. Templates help speed up the process and give your email a polished layout. So pick one that matches your brand and the style of your message. Next, fill in the key campaign details. Add your subject line first. This is what recipients will see in their inbox, so keep it clear and relevant. Then enter the preview text. This gives readers a short summary of what the email is about and can help improve open rates by adding useful context. You will also need to enter your physical legal address. This is an important part of email compliance and is typically required for marketing emails. Once the content details are in place, select the recipient list you created earlier. This tells Squarespace exactly who should receive the campaign. Before sending the final version, click Send Test. This is an important step because it allows you to review the formatting, check for mistakes, and make sure everything looks correct on the receiving end. Pay close attention to the subject line, layout, and any text you added, so you can catch small issues before the email goes out. When everything looks good, click Send to deliver the campaign to your selected list. That is the basic process for using Squarespace email marketing. From creating a list to sending your message. That covers everything you need to know.